Hello viewers, welcome to Herbalife TV. I'm your host, Arun Momo. Today, we'll be talking about diabetes and weak erection. So as you know, diabetes comes as a result of too much sugar in the body. And you know diabetes is a very dangerous disease. And also, it causes all type of problem and even weak erection in males, in men. So this video, as you are watching, is particularly directed to the male folks, to the men. Diabetes is something that has been how will I say it, has been troubling most guys, and they've been using different type of drugs just to solve this problem of diabetes or weak erection. They've tried several drugs, yet it's still not working. That's why today I will expose you to the truth, to what will cure your weak erection, so that anytime your partner calls you to come to action, you'll be confident to swing into action, and your joystick will be strong to go into action. So what I'll be exposing you today is something that when you use, you thank God that you saw this video online. So what are we going to use for diabetes and weak erection today, which is 100% sure and will work for you? What we'll be using today is plantain. And if you don't know, plantain contains a lot of properties that cure and eradicate diabetes from our body. It contains a lot of properties. It stabilizes our hormone. It protects our immune system, and it controls our blood sugar in the body. So plantain has a lot of properties, and it can help you in eradicating diabetes. And as for also weak erection, when you take this, as I will instruct you, I tell you that at the end of the day, you'll be confident, and anytime your wife or partner calls you for action, you'll be able to swing into action with no shame. So what we'll be using today is just plantain. And how do we prepare this formula? What you do to cure this problem, all you do is open this shell, this plantain. You remove this green back, which is the skin. You remove it. You see the plantain, you remove it, the green shell, you remove it, which is the back. You remove it, then you cut it into pieces, into smaller pieces. At least use 2 plantain for this method to cure our diabetes and to improve our weak erection, so that our joystick will be stronger. We are using 2 plantain. You cut it into smaller pieces. After you remove this skin, the green skin, you cut it into smaller pieces. Then you get a 5 liter or a keg. You put it into the smaller pieces of plantain which you've cut. Put it into the container, into the 5 liter container. Then add water, fill it with water, and leave it for a day. Leave it for a day. Then the next day you can start taking it, and you have to take this morning and night before bedtime, before you sleep, for 5 days. For 5 days. I assure you, if you use this method, if you are having problems with diabetes or weak erection, I tell you, this plantain, this method I've given you, will 100% solve it. And you'll be happy that you did. You'll be happy you saw this video online. This is a secret our forefathers have been using, and anytime they want to swing it to action, they are confident, they are strong, they are capable. So most of our youths or men, they use drug maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. These things affect your body, it kills your systems, and at the end of the day, once you get older, you continue using this drug, there will be a time your joystick cannot even stand. I'm giving you the natural cure to solve this problem of weak erection and diabetes. And when you use it, I tell you, you'll be glad you did, and when it comes to action, you'll be confident. So viewers, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe down below and click on the notification bell so that anytime I update, you will get it. I thank you for viewing this channel today, and I'll see you in my next video.